Hello, my name is Chalaki from Chalaki Law, and welcome to another episode of What Insurance Companies Don't Want You to Know. So here's what we're going to do. Every week, you submit your questions to me, and I will make YouTube videos of such and provide it on YouTube. So what you're going to do is subscribe, share, and like. That way, I get to answer more questions. Let's go ahead and cut to the chase and answer someone's question this week. Let's see. Oh. What if I've handled my case independently? Tough one. I get that all the time. Think about this. Insurance companies, attorneys, personal injury attorneys try to get you compensated. Insurance companies trying to prevent you from receiving that compensation. They are in the business of collecting premiums. They are not in the business of paying on those claims. Why? Because that's how they lose money. Us as personal injury attorneys, they really want you to, this guy right here we go. They really want you to not hire us. Why is that? Because we will fight and we will go beyond what is needed, outside their scope of what they have trained their staff, outside the scope of what they want you to believe, and what they have advertised and lobbied. For example, they call us ambulance chasers. Do you know why they call us ambulance chasers and they want you to believe they're chasing ambulances out there? It's because they know we are going after them. So they want to give us this cold blood look, like we're out there trying to make things happen. I'm not saying there's no good or bad apples on every tree. I'm not saying there's not good or bad students in every single class. I am putting all those aside, but most of us represent people who are hurt, who have injuries. Those injuries didn't exist. However, insurance companies are going to try to come and tell you, oh, you know what? Remember that one time in high school when you got hurt and you broke your leg? Well, this injury is related to that 2010, 11, whatever years ago that injury has happened. That's the methods and tactics they use. As a matter of fact, did you know we can't mention insurance? The word insurance in the court of law? We can't even use that word. So, think about how much money, lobbying money has gone. So, I can't even say insurance in court. So now you're handling this case independently, by yourself. The first thing they're gonna ask you to do is give them a recorded statement. Why? I got you. That's what it is. A recorded statement asked from the person, insurance companies of the person that is at fault. They are trying to get you. They're trying to get you to say something wrong, record it, document it, and then come tell you, well, I don't think they were 100% at fault. I don't think your injuries are really related. You never mentioned your back problem until 2 weeks later. Well, who gets involved in a collision and feels all their pain immediately? As a matter of fact, even on a sport injury, when you get hurt on a sport injury, you go put yourself in an ice bucket to figure out what's wrong with you. You wait a week to figure out what's wrong with you. Your body has to cool down before it starts feeling the pain. But insurance companies will find any excuse and every excuse to make sure that you don't get paid. So when you don't hire us and you handle it independently, what's your threat to them? You're gonna make a threat at the day's end that, hey, I will go get a lawyer if you don't pay me. But why don't you get a lawyer from the beginning? Because the more you do, the more you mess up your own case for yourself. And the more the insurance companies will take advantage of you. And at some point, no lawyer will accept your case anymore. So go ahead, call us. And you know what to do. Subscribe, share, and like. Have a good one. See you next time.